What's happening, y'all? Alright, so, pardon my ashiness, because I am ashy. There's a quick discussion and conversation to be had as I'm looking at the algorithms and I'm trying to figure out how can I get the YouTube channel to pop, you know what I'm saying? And then looking at the studio, different apps like TubeBuddy. Shout out to TubeBuddy, y'all come on sponsor me. I'm looking at the people and the genders that's watching the channel. And I appreciate y'all. I appreciate everybody that tunes into the channel. I appreciate everybody that watches the channel. I appreciate everybody that love and everybody that comments on the channel. All the subscribers, I love y'all. At some point in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about as far as what YouTube is showing me. You know, the genders, the age bracket, the video that's getting the best interaction. I'm gonna put it, it'll be in here. Maybe, you know what? We might as well go ahead and drop what I'm talking about right about here. So, when you look at that, first off, let that be motivation. Let that just show everybody, that it is possible as long as you, put forth some effort. And my effort isn't the most, it's minimal. However, that's the result of minimal effort. And now the next thing is monetization, 1,000 subs. If I can just get a couple more viewers to share, if I can get a couple more subs, to share it. And I'm not sure exactly how it works. Share it to yourself, share it to me, share it to, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. You know what I'm saying? It don't cost you nothing to share. It's free to share. And it helps me. And you know what I'm saying? The more that it's helping me out, the more that I can bring y'all quality content to help y'all out, because y'all know the channel is about cars and it is about credit. Everything cars and everything credit, it's gonna grow. We're gonna open and start new channels. We're gonna start doing different stuff. But in the meantime, in between time, I just wanna go through this beginning stage process with you. You know what I mean? So there's another insert I'm gonna have probably about, I guess we want to give it a little space in between, and we'll go ahead and put it there now. And that right there is just credit. You know what I mean? Because, like I said, the channel is about cars and credit. So, I just want to make sure all my people good. You wanna get that particular car. You know what I mean? Whether it's a sports car, a luxury car, whatever it is, whatever your heart desires, you want to get your credit right first so that you don't wind up paying for Mercedes-Benz while driving a Toyota Corolla. Toyota's an extremely reliable car. The Corolla's a really good car. I'm not sure if they still make it. I think they do. It's Corolla, as whatever. We're not talking about that. I'm saying this. Don't go and be in a position where you have a $700 car note for a car that's only valued at about $5,000. Okay? If you have a $700 car note, you want your car probably to be worth at least six figures. Realistically. So you want a $100,000 car if you're okay with paying a $700 car note. But a car valued at $5,000 and you paying $700 a month, that really only just says that your credit isn't right. And your credit isn't right not because you've done anything wrong, but because you didn't have the knowledge on how to do it right. You didn't have the knowledge on how to do it right. We've been told so long the wrong way. We've been taught all of the wrong things as far as credit goes. So what I'm really trying to do is, honestly, hope I don't get demonetized for this, but my targeted market really is like us, my colored people. you know, the same melanin, same complexion, same pigmentation as I am. You know, though I do not discriminate if this is beneficial or entertaining or if this is informative to any other race. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like the videos, comment on the videos, and share the videos. You know, because I'm not honestly about discrimination. However, we do understand that certain ethnicities have had a position where they were set up already. And we don't have that because our parents don't know this. Our parents didn't teach us this. You know, so y'all just stay tuned. Y'all keep rocking with me. Like I say, it's a lot more to come. It's a lot more interactions. It's a lot more proof, because I know we all like to see proof, right? We all need to see proof, you know, coming from the guy who always considers himself right. So we're going to get that in order. We're going to line all that up. We're going to get all that stripped it out, and we're going to get right back to it. When I say we is me and my higher self. You know, you got to sometimes turn down your vibration depending upon, you know, your situation, environment, and circumstances. Your higher self, though, always operates. Your higher self is what you feel that inside tingling sensation for. When you know you're finna do something right, or you know something is coming your way, or you know you dead on and spot on about what it is that you're doing, what you're talking about. And that is why I refer to we. Not a partner in myself, though there will come a time that there will be, you know, other people on the
What did you say, nigga?
Other people on the platform, and there will be intellectual conversations, there will be debates, there will be discussions, there will be opinions, you know, there will be good quality content for you all. You know, and then jump in the comment section below. Let me know exactly what it is that you want to see. You know, also, as you can see that, yeah, I am a barber. I do cut hair. As you can see this right here, this is motivation. As is this right here. You know what I'm saying? Just to show and to look good on my, you know, complexion. That ain't what we're talking about, though, but I just want to throw that in there. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. I appreciate y'all for sharing, commenting, and liking the videos. You know what I'm saying? There'll be a link in the description box where you can get in contact with me. The launch of the business that is going to help you and help me is coming soon. Y'all stay tuned.